In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms interrogatifs, but more precisely, we will see quel. So, what are les pronoms interrogatifs? Well, we'll have two things to answer. That's the first one. The interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions about people, things, or choices. And the second thing, their usage depends on the type of information you want to inquire about. So, this lesson is about quel. And the interrogative pronoun quel can be translated into English as which or what. Keep in mind that we will use quel for masculin singulier. So let's see some examples with quel. Quel livre lis-tu en ce moment? Quel livre lis-tu en ce moment? Quel film préférez-vous parmi ceux-ci? Quel film préférez-vous parmi ceux-ci? Quel est ton animal préféré? Quel est ton animal préféré? Quel chemin mène à la gare? Quel chemin mène à la gare?